Ophthalmic Cap Tightening with Torque Controller. Switch on the machine. Click on the screwing cap and lifting button and adjust the machine speed as required. Adjust the torque controller fixture for proper alignment and stability. The torque controller ensures the correct amount of torque is applied, avoiding over-tightening or loose sealing. A plugging machine inserts the dropper tip into the bottle, ensuring correct depth and a secure seal. Place the ophthalmic bottle under the torque controller, which automatically applies precise torque to securely tighten the cap onto the bottle. The caps and bottles are aligned properly to match their threads for accurate sealing. The capping process begins, and the caps are tightened onto the bottles. The cap is now securely sealed.